in telco, I have never found a brand that actually focuses on music this much. So I'm very, very proud to be part of Vivo because of this hi-fi music innovation. In the history of Vivo, we have from the X3S up to V3 Max, the development of hi-fi chipsets. This actually allows the phone to have this ability to listen to music, to have this output in music. That's like you are in close with the artists themselves. When you play it with hi-fi music, it's like the artist is singing and playing with you. It's there. You can really feel it. That's because of the hi-fi technology. Our strategic partnership with AKM, and of course, our new and latest hi-fi chipset, the AK4376. This hi-fi chipset actually provides 115 decibels of high-quality sounds. Did you know, guys, that in every 6 decibels that you increase the fidelity or the closeness of the sound becomes double. It means the higher the decibel of this particular chipset, the truer that it will become when it comes to the sound output. So with this, the AK4376 is already inside the Vivo V5. Part of the innovations of Vivo is also to include our FunTouch OS developments. This is actually one of the very good examples that we understand the needs of the customer. One of the things that we are very proud of is the Smart Split Screen. Okay? This feature allows us to actually enjoy watching full screen videos, and then we don't need to actually choose if someone actually messages. All we need to do is just tap on the icon that appears and it will automatically split into two. You will be able to browse, to reply, and still watch the movie or videos either online or offline. And because this is actually 2.0, now we support a lot of applications, even third-party applications. Also, part of the development is we are also concerned with the health of the consumers. We know that you love holding your phones, reading it, and browsing with it. But the thing is, your eyes will get tired over time. So we have this eye protection mode. The eye protection mode is actually like this. If you read your phone at night or before going to bed and you just wanted to browse your phone, it kind of looks like this. But when eye protection mode is activated, it actually filters out the blue light. Then it becomes more comfortable to read. Fast and smooth user experience. Now let's go to the specs of the V5. Of course, we will not give out products that are slow. We want to give the best for the consumers. So we are providing 4 GB of RAM. Again, 32 GB internal storage, an octa-core processor, and of course powered by Marshmallow 6.0, which is 30% more efficient when it comes to battery life. Of course, we have added the newest and latest fingerprint technology in our V5. The fingerprint sensor or unlocking mechanism is now just 0.2 seconds. So when you touch or just tap the phone, it will actually unlock within 0.2 seconds. So, okay. Let's watch this video. the V5 summary of specs. So from the camera, you have the 20 megapixel at the front. At the back, you also have the 13 megapixel. The screen is 5.5 inch. Our storage, 4 gig of RAM and 32 gig internal storage. Processor is an octa-core 64-bit. And of course, the operating system is a combination of the FunTouch OS 2.6 and Android 6.0. Fingerprint unlocking mechanism of 0.2 seconds. Of course, the Hi-Fi chipset AK4376. And we also have a battery of 3000 milliamperes, lithium polymer. So the V5, world's first 20 megapixel soft light camera smartphone from Vivo. Oh, and one more thing. So, this is a surprise. We are announcing the V5 Plus.
Mas malaki.
The V5 Plus is something that is also very special for tonight. Because of this debut, we are actually giving you a preview of what is this phone. Of course, let's start with appearance. It has a 5.5-inch display, but okay. Somebody please click on next. All right. It has a very ultra slim bezels that is actually very good because the casing of this phone is actually based on a 5.2-inch display. So you're actually holding a 5.2 inch, but with a body width of 74 millimeters. So when you're holding it, you're actually like holding a smaller phone, but you're enjoying a very big screen. So it's like this. So you're actually holding like a 5.2 inch, but you're actually enjoying a 5.5 inch display. And that's not all. Right? We are using the 5th generation Corning Gorilla Glass to make it more durable and lightweight. Okay. Also, we are using the 1.8 millimeter U-shaped antenna. This makes the network recipient of the phone more receptive to signals. So when you're uploading selfies or when you're actually downloading stuff, you'll be able to enjoy a fast and more reliable network source. Now, okay. The composition of the V5 Plus when it comes to its casing is we are using the mirror grinding technique. So when you hold the V5 Plus, you will be able to enjoy a smooth appearance of the phone. Okay. Now, perfect touch. Because we are using our FunTouch OS, you will be able to enjoy a seemingly smooth appearance when it comes to our user interface. So navigating throughout the phone is very, very easy. Now, let's talk about the photography of this phone. Let's talk about the camera. So, V5 Plus is actually using dual front camera. So, one camera is actually 20 megapixel and the other camera is 8 megapixel. That complements both to make that perfect selfie. Okay, so we're also using the Sony IMX376. So in order for you to be able to enjoy the 20 megapixel front camera. And the rear camera, we also have the 16 megapixels for the back camera. So let's enjoy this.
siya trifocus pa.
Thank you, everyone.
Wow. Thank you very much, Mark Cuevas. He gave us an incredible amount of information for the new V5 and the V5 Plus.